हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। और आपका स्वागत है हमारे पैसा गिरिश डब्ल्यू पे गाइस। सो गाइस, अगले एपिसोड में हमने पिछले एपिसोड में हमने प्रॉमिस किया था कि हम पिकअप ट्रक और हमर की कंपैरिजन करने वाले गाइस। सो गाइस, उसके लिए मैं आ चुका हूँ। और गाइस, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को लाइक नहीं किया, शेयर नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया यार, तो जल्दी से जाके लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा गाइस, क्योंकि आपको हमारे नए नए नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते जाए। तो गाइस, हमारा कंपैरिजन पहले हुआ था जीप और हैमर के बीच। आज हम करने वाले हैं इसके और इसके बीच। तो गाइस, पहले हैमर चलाते हैं। हैमर जैसे आपको पता है कि अच्छा इंजन मीन्स इंजन का आवाज़ गंदा है, स्टीयरिंग बहुत ही गंदी है, वो ऐसा आउटडेटेड लगती है, पर कुछ नहीं चलता है। फिर इसकी हम एक्चुअली क्या चेक कर रहे हैं, हम ऑफ रोडिंग चेक कर रहे हैं। वी आर चेकिंग द ऑफ रोडिंग ऑफ दिस कार। सो गाइस, लेट्स क्लाइम दिस कार on the mountain. Take a left. Nicely taken. Oh, slipped. It slipped very badly. Oh, again slipped. The car doesn't provide that much grip that it wants, that an SUV needs. Oh no, it crashed. Sorry guys for this. So guys, doing not well. Hammer's width and length only is it's longer than the both car, and its width it is also more than these both cars. Means pickup truck and jeep. Its tire is also wide. Its size is also bigger than it. So guys, as you can see, we are come on the snow. Let's test this car on snow, that how many distance it can slip, or it can sorry for this. It's slipping. The tires are a little bit struggling. See, struggle. Somehow Hammer manages it because it's 4x4. Hammer manages it. It's not so bad that it doesn't manage the snows, that how it is slipping. It's slipping, yeah. It's slipping. It's sorry guys, very sorry. I don't know the road properly. I don't know the way properly. That it was a turn. It was a sharp turn, guys. Nice. See, guys, it slips like this. So what in a car this is? Go yaar, go. Nicely done. It has done the off-roading, guys, very nicely. It has done nicely off-roading. So guys, let's bring the pickup truck on the ground. So guys, I'm bringing the pickup truck now, so get ready for the off-roading of pickup truck. So guys, the game is loading, and here is our pickup truck. Nice styling, nice posture, but this car is 4x2, where the Hammer and the Jeep is 4x4. The car is 4x2. Yeah guys, this car is 4x2. Sorry, this pickup truck is 4x2. Let's go ahead. There is a left turn. Let's take left. Nicely. Okay. Now the off-roading begins. So we are going up nicely. Left turn. Nicely taken. This car is not sleeping, guys. This car's grip is fantastic than Hammer. See, nicely done. This car is doing off-roading very nicely. Oh no, it crashed. So, go here. Yeah, I know, it was too slow. Okay. Okay. Climbed very nicely. The off-roading is done by pickup truck is done by very nicely. It is nicely done. So guys, let's take. So it's sleeping. We are going to do only that test only we are going to do now. See how it's sleeping. It's sleeping more than Hammer. Hammer have little bit grip more than this pickup truck. But what? Hammer should be shamed. That car is 4x2. Here is 4x4. Hammer is 4x2 and this car is 4x. Sorry guys for this. Hammer is actually 4x4. As you know, Hammer is 4x4. And this pickup truck is 4x2. So Hammer should be ashamed of it. That it is sleeping more than the Jeep. Where the Jeep stop at the place only. The braking system is nice. Yes, some disadvantages means this car is 4x2 first of all. So what happens? Little bit grip decreases. Means braking is not that much good. So it slips little bit on snow. But where the car is 4x4, their brake should be obviously in nice condition. Means little bit of tight and it should stop on the place. It should not slip. Yeah, I know. Little car slips at the snow, but I am not expecting from the company of the Hammer that their brakes should be perfect. Means center that much particular that when we click the brake, it should stop. Not like this. Every car slips only. Every car slips. But little bit of more improvement was expecting from Hammer. But it is not there still also. So guys, today's winner is pickup truck. So guys, first go to our channel and hit a like. Subscribe my channel, share these videos so you will get a new notifications of many games like this off-roading simulator of Garena Free Fire and another etc. Many games. After 1 week or 1-2 weeks, we are going to give you a video of GTA 5. There is a little technical problem in our devices, means in our computers, so I cannot give you the videos, but I will give it. Me and Earth, we will play multiplayer. So guys, today's really winner is Hammer. No. So today's winner is the pickup truck. Nicely. Goes simple. So please hit a like on this video, subscribe my channel, share our videos so you will get, and click the bell icon obviously to get our new notifications too for our amazing videos. So it is only for you today for you. So bye guys.